Looking for a reliable way to keep your tennis net at the perfect height? The Edwards Tennis Net Center Strap offers exactly that, a durable, weather-resistant solution that ensures your net stays consistent, match after match. Whether you're playing at a park, school, or local court, this strap's sturdy polyester design can withstand outdoor conditions without faltering. What sets this center strap apart is its thoughtful design. It attaches right at the center of the net, aligning perfectly with the court's white finish lines to guarantee correct placement every time. Plus, the included metal hardware makes installation straightforward and hassle-free. You won't need to struggle with complicated setups or flimsy materials that wear out quickly. One of the best features, praised by players across the United States, is how easy it is to install and remove. The Edwards strap comes with 2 grommets at the bottom of its cloth legs, allowing you to quickly move it from one court to another without fuss. This flexibility is especially handy for coaches or players who rotate courts regularly or manage multiple nets during tournaments. The metal hardware feels solid and built to last, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements or breakdowns. This strap isn't just a temporary fix. It's a dependable piece of equipment that supports your game consistently. The design is straightforward but effective, giving you peace of mind that your net will meet regulation height every time you play. If you're someone who values consistency and durability on the tennis court, the Edwards Tennis Net Center Strap is worth a look. It's a small investment that makes a noticeable difference in your game setup, ensuring every serve and volley happens on a properly tensioned net. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your court experience without any complicated tools or extra hassle. Ready to keep your tennis net perfectly aligned with minimal effort? The Edwards Tennis Net Center Strap delivers durability, ease of use, and precise placement all in one package. Whether for practice or competitive play, it's designed to stand up to the elements and frequent use. If that's you, this strap could be the simple upgrade your tennis setup needs.